Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Excel Bytes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today is going to be a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you my two absolute favorite keyboard shortcuts that I use probably every day, maybe even multiple times every day. So let's take a look at these in Excel. The first keyboard shortcut I want to show you is Alt plus HEA. So the Alt key, what that does is it brings up all the hotkeys on your ribbon. So if you see I hit the Alt key, it will bring up all the different letters, numbers, combinations that if you select those, it will go to that specific option. So in this case, H is for the Home tab. The E is for the editing menu and clear. So if I hit E, it pulls down that menu, and the A is to clear all. So for example, if I highlight this data here, now I have a table, I have data validation drop-down lists. You can see they're formatted with a dark border around. They have different fill colors. I have formulas here. I have more formulas here with the if error and formula text functions there. So if I highlight that range and hit Alt HEA, it will clear everything off. It takes away the table, all the formatting, the centering, the fill colors, etc., all formulas that we had there. The only thing that Alt HEA does not remove is objects. I have an image here and I have a chart here, so if I highlighted this whole area and did Alt HEA, it will remove everything, but it won't remove objects. But again, I use this constantly when I want to just clear an area of all the different elements that I have in that part of my worksheet. The second keyboard shortcut that I use a lot is Ctrl C and Menu V. Now I have a full-size keyboard, so on that keyboard there is the menu key, and you can see in this object here where the menu key is located. It's right between the Windows key and the Control key on my keyboard. If you don't have a Windows key, say you're using a laptop, then the alternative is Control C and Shift F10V. And what this does, it will convert your formulas to their values. So I create a formula and now I just want to do a paste values only. So I will use this keyboard shortcut. So here I have formulas that are based on the values in column I. So if I highlight this range and hit Control C to copy it, Menu V, it will now just paste the values, and you can see I don't have formulas in there anymore. I just have their values. I'll do a Control Z to bring that back. And again, what happens here, Control C, as you're probably familiar with, copies it. The menu key brings up the same kind of menu as if I right-clicked, and then V is the same as the paste values right here. If I highlight that, notice it says values with the letter V. So I hit V and it now will paste those values as their values instead of the formula. So those are my two favorite shortcuts. I hope that these can be very useful to you, and that's how you can use them in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so at my website, excel-bytes.com, or at any of the social networks noted below. Thanks a lot, have a great day, and happy excelling.